If you want to create this realistic carpet texture, keep watching this video. You can download 100 ultra-realistic carpet materials for Lumion, along with thousands of other Lumion assets, all included in one complete library full pack from the EasyViz website. I also have a special surprise waiting for you at the end of this video, so make sure you watch until the very end.
To create a realistic carpet, we first need a normal map like this one. However, this normal map still has a very large, coarse texture, so we need to make the pattern much smaller. I'll open it in Photoshop and drag it into a new document, then duplicate it, move the copy to the corner, create another copy, and keep duplicating it until I can arrange them side by side. Now we have visible seams between the tiles, and we need to remove them. I'll select all of these layers, merge them together, and then use the lasso tool to select the seam areas. Once the seams are selected, go to Edit, Content Aware Fill, and let Photoshop automatically fill the selected areas. When it's finished, click Apply, then OK. As you can see, the seams are gone, and now we have one seamless texture. But the texture is still too large, so we need to repeat the same process. I'll merge the layers again, scale the texture down even further, duplicate it, arrange the copies side by side, and remove the seams again. I'll keep repeating this process until I get a very fine texture. Here's the comparison. This is the first version, the second, the third, and finally the fourth. This is about the level of detail we're looking for. Don't worry about the small seams you can still see here. They won't be visible in the final material. Now that we've created this fine detail normal map, we need to combine it with the original normal map of the carpet. This is the original normal map. As you can see, it only contains the larger grooves and doesn't have the fine fabric detail we've just created. To combine them, simply drag the new normal map into this document and change its blend mode to overlay. As you can see, both normal maps are now combined, giving us both the fine fabric detail and the original larger grooves. I'll export this new normal map and switch over to Lumion. Now that we're inside Lumion, all we have to do is apply the new normal map to the carpet material. Click Load Map and load the normal map we just created. I'll increase the weathering value a little. Be careful not to set the relief value too high. If you do, the tiling lines will become visible, and we definitely don't want that. This looks like a good balance. And that's it. We now have a much more realistic carpet material. Compare it with Lumion's default carpet, and you can clearly see how much more convincing and realistic the new texture looks.
Leave a comment below this video and hit the like button. We'll randomly select 3 winners to receive the EasyViz full Lumion library pack completely free.